My name is Magis Rubeo, and I'm the costume designer for Thor, Ragnarok.
Asgard is dead.
I've designed 1,700 costumes from head to toe.
You look great, dude.
The character Grandmaster was like a bon vivant tyrant, but fun. His costume is all about geometrics, and of course, who's gonna wear it better than Jeff Goldblum?
He's a fighter.
I think when people will see this movie in IMAX, they're gonna get to see everything in detail. All the details that we put is gonna be shown in the big screen.
I thought you'd be glad to see me.